listeners, before we get to the podcast, we are thrilled to tell you about the Great Mathematics Debate.
Y'all, I'm so excited. I have been invited to debate an award-winning Australian expert in explicit instruction and cognitive load theory. Her name's Toni Hatton-Roberts. I was invited by a group in Australia to do the great debate they are calling Teaching Procedures versus Developing Mathematical Reasoning. It's going to be amazing. To register to attend this virtual event, go to bit.ly/greatmathdebate, bit.ly/greatmathdebate, where you can register to attend. It is July 7th, 7:30 p.m. Central Time, or you can listen to the recording, but you have to register to get the recording. All right, y'all, check it out. Join me in the debate. Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this week our math problem was 88% of 75. How will you solve this problem? Pause and solve it however you'd like. The problem is 88% of 75.
You want to go first or me?
I'll go first.
Okay.
So 88% is kind of like 8 times 11%. I wrote on my paper 8 times 11.
Okay.
3/4. And so I'm going to take 3/4 of 8, which is 6, times 11. So I wrote 66.
Whoa, I'm going to have to think about that one. Okay. I'll tell you my first thought that I just for grins, I was thinking I could do 100% of 75, take away 10% of 75, and take away 2% of 75. Mm-hmm. But since you didn't use the commutative property, I'm going to.
Okay.
So I'm going to find 75% of 88 instead of 88% of 75. Mm-hmm. So that's 3/4 of 88. 3/4 of 80 is 60, and 3/4 of 8 is 6, and 6 and 60 is 66.
Nice.
Dum-dum.
When you look at 88, do you see 4 22s?
No.
Okay.
So you found like 1/4 of 88 is 22, and you could think of 3 of those quarters as 66?
No. I just...
Oh, you just see 22, 44, 66?
Yeah.
Not yet. I'll work on that.
Okay, very cool. All right, well, we get excited to see what you do every week. Join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you think about the problems, and be sure to comment on each other's strategies.
Because we love it when you do that. We'll post the problems on Wednesday around 7 p.m. Central. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag Math Strat Chat. And join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. Y'all, thanks for being part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement. Math is figure-outable. Y'all, thanks for listening to the podcast. And don't forget, join me in the Great Mathematics Debate, where we're going to debate teaching procedures versus developing mathematical reasoning, July 7th, 7:30 Central PM. Register so you get the recordings at bit.ly/greatmathdebate. We will see you there.